Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about the simple interest, some quicker methods. So suppose a sum of money is there, a sum of money is doubles itself in 10 years at simple interest. What is the rate of interest? So what is the question he asked? Sum of money is doubles itself in 10 years at a simple interest. Okay, then find the rate of interest. Rate of interest is equal to how much? So actual method I will tell, after that the technique I will tell, shortcut method. So let the principal is equal to, let rupees 100. We don't know how much it is, that's why let it be 100 rupees. Then after 10 years it becomes how much? 200 rupees, because doubles. So 200 rupees it becomes. Then what is the interest you will get on that? Interest is equal to 200 minus 100 is 100 rupees. Interest is 100 rupees. Therefore, rate of interest you have to find out. What is the formula? Simple interest, PTR by 100. From that rate of interest you will get 100I by PT. So that is equal to 100 into principal is 100 by interest is 100, formula is 100 by principal is 100 into time is 10 years he said. So 10, this gets cancelled, and 10, it becomes 10%. Instead of this, a simple way how can you do, I'll tell. See, so here the formula is, if money becomes if the money becomes x times in t years at simple interest then rate of interest is equal to 100 into x minus 1 by t. So x is how many times the money becomes that, and t is number of times. Then this is the formula, rate of interest. According to this formula, the previous sum, above sum, becomes the doubles, means x is equal to 2 it will become, and time is 10 years he asked. In 10 years the amount becomes doubled. At what rate of interest he asked? So rate of interest is equal to 100 into 2 minus 1 by 10. 10 tens. 10 into 1 is nothing but 10%. So how simple it is, see. So the formula is nothing but rate of interest is equal to 100 into x minus 1 by t. Okay. So one more question I will tell. A sum of money triples. Sum of money triples itself in 20 years. Then find the rate of interest. So sum of money he asked, how many times it in the solution becomes what? Triples means x becomes 3, and in 20 years means t is equal to 20. Therefore rate of interest is equal to 100 into x minus 1 by t. So 100 into 3 minus 1 by 20. 21 5 into 2 is nothing but 10%. So rate of interest is 10%. Next, one more question. What is the time? Time is how much? What is the time? If the sum of money 4 times at the simple interest, sum of money is 4 times that of simple 4 times that at the at simple interest, then find, and rate of interest is equal to 5% per annum. If rate of interest is 5% per annum, you have to find out the time. In how many years the sum becomes 4 times that of the given amount. So what you have to think? So time is equal to 100 into x minus 1 by r. Because r formula is here t, transposition you will get. So 100 into x is 4 times. So x becomes 4 and r becomes 5. So 4 minus 1 by 5. 5 ones, 5 20s. 20 into 3 is nothing but 60 years. 60 years. Okay. One more question we will discuss in the same model. So sum of money will doubles. What is that? Sum of money will doubles itself in 16 years. In 16 years. Itself in 16 years. At simple interest. Then find the rate of interest. So rate of interest R is equal to what you will get? 100 into x minus 1 by t. That is x is nothing but doubles he said. So x is 2 and time is 16. So therefore rate of interest is equal to 100 into 2 minus 1 by 16. 4 25s, 4 fours. So 25 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 12 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 2%. That is the answer. So if you know the formula, that is the easiness you will get. So quickly you can do the sums. Next, one more example I will give. A sum of money put at a simple interest trebles itself in 15 years, then find the rate of interest. At what rate of interest? If you will give the money so that the money becomes triples itself in 15 years. So what you have to write? R is equal to 100 into x minus 1 by t, where x becomes 3 or t becomes 15 years. So that is equal to 100 into 3 minus 1 by 15. So 5 3s, 5 20s. 20 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 40 by 3. So 13 1 by 3%. So rate of interest is equal to 13 1 by 3%. So if you not subscribe the channel and share to your friends.